I'm Jordy with AT&T Spring, and I'm going to show you how to convert an MP3 into a ringtone. How to convert an MP3 into a ringtone, well, is impossible. Basically, getting that MP3 formatted song that you want as your ringtone is going to require you to go onto AT&T.com as well as other supported ringtone websites and purchasing that ringtone as the ringtone. It's physically impossible to convert an MP3 formatted song into a ringtone to use on your cell phone. Since we discovered that converting an MP3 over to a ringtone is not possible, the best way to get a ringtone in the MP3 format is to simply buy the ringtone or the song that you wanted to download from MP3 to a ringtone by going to AT&T.com. Then click on Shop. Then the drop down will take you over to Ringtones and More. Click on Ringtones and More. Go down to Buy Ringtones and Graphics, which will then open up a page. Click on Ringtones, where you can either search for the song that you want to use from the MP3, or it'll give you different categories, top tones, and different genres of music. Then you simply click Buy, type in your phone number, select your phone, type in your phone number, click Submit, and that ringtone will be sent to your cell phone.